Until recently, the traditional way to attend a medical conference required taking time from your busy work schedule, traveling, spending money on airfare, hotels, taxis, and car rentals, while paying a high registration fee inflated by overpriced hotel food, only to end up in a freezing, uncomfortable lecture hall, too far away to see the screen or speaker. Unless you are among the 1% who enjoy getting up in front of hundreds of people to ask a question, you don't need to be in the lecture hall. You also don't need to hear lectures that aren't relevant to your career. There is an alternative, the Southwestern Trauma and Acute Care Symposium Simulcast. What does Stax offer you? No more traveling to another state to attend a conference. Now you can have a front row seat for PowerPoint slides with real-time picture-in-picture of top national trauma experts lecturing on important current topics. Simulcast provides a big cost savings, and group registration provides an even bigger savings, allowing you to sit with colleagues in the comfort of your own hospital conference room. Do you have a question for the presenter or panel? All you have to do is text it in from your phone or type it in from your computer. The annual Southwest Trauma Conference provides hospital-sponsored CME CEU, as well as the opportunity to obtain Maintenance of Certification credit. Educational credits are sent electronically after the conference. For more information, call 602-546-4060 or visit www.astrac.org.